I dyed my hair.
Why? I see it.
Tilt your head over it.
Why you colored your hair black?
I wanted it darker. It's not dark enough.
That is so black.
I love it. I ain't
like
even
that.
do like it's a blue black.
Oh, that's okay.
Start off that man.
You wanna say hi? Let me go do mine.
So scared to make this matcha. It look like it tastes like nothing but matcha.
It don't taste like grass. It tastes good.
What you get?
What?
Is that Dubai?
No, this matcha.
Hey, yours look more matcha than mine.
Oh,
Why yours look more? Yours is more green. I should have drunk that one. See, mine was that green. Stir it up. It's called $15. We gotta.
You goddamn.
You better drink that.
You better drink that motherfucking matcha. You better drink that fucking matcha.
You gotta stir it up.
Matcha that shit up.
cause baby, that regular matcha tastes different.
That's the good benefits. You're gonna feel amazing.
I don't care, Dunkin'. That's not what I drink.
7 Brooklyn, Starbucks, and Dunkin' is too sweet. You need the local stuff.
We need that.
The real
That's
brown.
what we need. We need the 7 Brewski. Okay, the sugar.
No, you need that. I even get matcha girl. Don't even like real matcha.
Oh.
Star.
She said, how you gonna be a matcha girl?
Matcha ain't no joke.
It's delicious.
Woo.
What is it?
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Dasha, and today I am at the barbershop with my girl Star getting a sew-in or some extensions sewed in with my real hair that is on my hair. I am on a hair growth journey and I am loving every bit of it. Star has been doing my hair for about once a month and I get it trimmed, I get it treated. Right now she's just prepping my hair. I did dye it black or color it black before I came to her, and hopefully I'll have that video posted. I'm not too sure. I'm still thinking about it as I'm editing this video, but I did dye it I did dye it blue black from Adore, but it just looks jet black to me because I wanted to have a natural shine instead of ashy black. I feel like my natural hair just looks ashy. I don't know, but yeah. So moving on, Star is doing me a sew-in. This hair is 10 years old almost that she's sewing in. My aunt bought it for me during prom season of my senior year. I graduated in 2016, so it's almost 10 years old. Invest in your hair. This is just me showing, like, she was halfway done at this point. I was like, oh my god, I forgot to film. So I'm working on it. This is Vlogmas Day 1. I don't know, it's Vlogmas Day 1 but December 6th as I'm saying this right now. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed the matcha part at the beginning, follow me on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram at Dasha J XO. I have plenty of matcha reviews. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Comment down below. Let me know what you think.
soft smoother skin. For dramatic results without drastic measures, there's new Olay Gems. Only Olay.
Can we comb this down to the front when you're done?
What?
This right here.
Going one down to the front.
My hair.
Why you want it down there for?
Yeah. Cause I feel like my baby, then it like covers my baby hairs.
Why you want your baby hairs covered?
Come on,
People be wanting their baby hairs like that.
ooh, my head is tight. Take me by 5 times off.
Are you done?
Get my 360 from my camera, please. Oh, let me help you out so you can see what you're recording. My mom. Thank you.
That's cute. Oh, cute.
This is exactly what I wanted. Thank you so much. Who is she? Alright, y'all. We are home. It's been a very long day. I had to come finish the vlog. I just had my bonnet on. Let me fix my hair. I'm still gonna post this for Vlogmas even though it's like 11 o'clock December 1st, so I don't care. I still want to post it because I'm very proud of myself for filming all day today. Is it recording? Okay. So here is my hair. Let me just fix it up some. I got a full sew-in extension suppress whatever. It's like a braidless. Well, it's not a braidless sew-in. It's like a, what do I call it? It's a sew-in. Like I don't have a base braided. I have like braids throughout. Like 1, 2, 3. Let me show y'all. So this is how everything is sewed in. And then this is my hair. My hair's gotten so long. Every time you get off Dasha. And I'm just so we're gonna wrap it up. And this is gonna end the vlog. Bye.